name is Agda Al-Murabi. My student ID number is 19130036.
Hi, my name is De Adnindi Amalia. My ID number 191301113.
My name is Abila Nabila and my student number is 191300040.
I want to tell you about Cindelaras. Raden Putra was the king of Cingala kingdom. He had a beautiful queen and a concubine. Unlike the queen, the concubine had bad personalities. She was envious and jealous with the queen, so she planned to make the queen leave the palace. The concubine then asked the royal healer to help her in her plan. One day, the concubine pretended to be ill. Raden Putra called the royal healer to give the concubine treatments. What is her disease? Raden Putra asked the royal healer. I'm very sorry, my majesty. She is sick because the queen put poison in her meal. The royal healer lied. Raden Putra was shocked and angry to hear the explanation. He called the queen and asked if the story was true. Of course, the queen denied, but Raden Putra won't listen. Please, Your Majesty, have mercy. I really didn't do anything, cried the queen in tears. Raden Putra's anger ended in a decision. The queen should be banished to the woods and terminated. He didn't know that the queen was already pregnant. Raden Putra commanded the one of the general to do the punishment. The queen was banished the woods, but the general didn't have the heart to kill her, so he built a small house to leave the queen. After that, he's back to the world. He's back to the palace, and in the way he smeared his sword with rabbit blood, and then Raden Putra believe it.
After the general left, the queen lived by herself in the woods. Several months later, she gave birth to a healthy baby boy. The baby was named Cindelaras. He grew up as a nice, healthy, and handsome boy. One day, while Cindelaras helped her mother to collect some firewood, an eagle dropped an egg. Cindelaras brought the egg to be brooded by a chicken behind their house. The egg hatched into a chick, and then it slowly became a strong rooster. The rooster is not ordinary rooster. The rooster could sing. Every morning, the rooster woke Cindelaras up with its beautiful song. My master is Cindelaras. His house is in the wood. He's the son of Raden Putra. The rooster often sang that song. Cindelaras always woke up early in the morning and listened happily to his rooster's song. He didn't realize the meaning of the song until one day. He started to think, "Who is Raden Putra?" he asked his mother. The queen then told him the whole story. She also told him why they were banned from the kingdom and lived in the woods. Cindelaras was very surprised. He decided to go to the palace to meet the king, his father. Cindelaras asked his mother's permission to go to the kingdom and to tell the king what really happened. He also broke his rooster that grew bigger and stronger each day. On his way, Cinderella stopped at a village. There he met some people who were involved in cockfighting. They challenged him to see how strong his rooster was. "If your rooster wins, you will get a reward," said the man who challenged him. Cinderella accepted the challenge. In a few minutes, his rooster defeated the opponent's rooster. He was challenged again by other men, and one more time, his rooster won. He won again and again. The news about Cinderella's rooster quickly spread to the whole Jenggala kingdom and made Raden Putra curious. So he invited Cinderella to the palace. "What is your name, boy?" Raden Putra asked as Cinderella arrived in the palace. "My name is Cinderella, your majesty," Cinderella answered. He felt both thrilled and happy.
Raden Putra challenged Cinderella with one condition. If Raden Putra rooster won, Cinderella's head would be cut off. But Cinderella's rooster won, Raden Putra would share half of the wood. Cinderella accepted the condition, and the competition of rooster is start. Competition held in front of the yard in the palace. Just a few minutes, the rooster, Cinderella's rooster, is won. Raden Putra shocked and he said, "The rooster is not ordinary rooster, and the boy is not ordinary boy either." Who exactly? And the rooster, Cinderella's rooster, he sang a song. "My master is Cinderella. The house is in the woods, and he is son of the Raden Putra." Raden Putra shocked again. "Is it true?" Cinderella said, "Yeah, my majesty. My name is Cinderella. My mother is queen, and my house is in the wood." The Raden Putra is confused and shocked. He called the general, and the general is so confused because he never to kill the queen. Raden Putra was so shocked. He went to pick up the queen in the wood. Ever since, Cinderella and his parents lived happily together, and the concubine sent to jail as punishment. Thank you.